You asked, how to divide 7,500 by 4 using the long division method. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 35 minus 32 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1875.